Venom is nature's most efficient bioweaponry. It provides the animal a means to defend itself and a way to secure prey more effectively, essentially giving them both pretty good offense and defense. But what if I told you that the very same venom that could outright kill you could actually save your life one day? You see, venom is a mixture of a bunch of chemicals and proteins, and these different chemicals and proteins have their own unique properties, which we can use to turn into medicine. And so, in this video, we're going to talk about animal venoms that could possibly save your life one day. When we think of venom, we usually think of snakes. For example, the Brazilian pit viper contains a very dangerous venom that causes intense bleeding and potentially fatal kidney failure, in which, if left untreated without antivenom, would likely cause the bite victim to die. But what if I told you that the very same venom that could kill you could actually save you from a heart attack one day? Captopril is a venom-derived drug that acts as an ACE inhibitor, meaning it can help lower blood pressure and can essentially be used to treat strokes and heart attacks, which by the way are the most common fatal diseases that causes 15 to 17 million deaths per year. Thus, thanks to the discovery of the medicinal potential of the viper toxin, millions of lives are being potentially saved every year. A bite from these monstrous lizards can only be described as one of the most excruciating pain a human can experience, with bite victims reporting that the venom feels like burning hot lava running through their blood. But inside the Gila monster venom contains a small protein that inspired the creation of Ozempics. You see, Gila monster venoms carry a protein known as xanthine-4 that inspired the creation of xenotide and semaglutide, in which when injected in the body, help stimulate insulin production and control glucose levels, which is great for treating people suffering from type 2 diabetes, which is a common type of diabetes that affects estimately hundreds of millions around the world. In the depths of the barren wasteland holds a secret in locating cancer cells. Chlorotoxin is a small protein found in the venom of a scorpion named the Deathstalker, which is quite ironic because this same scorpion could actually save your life one day. You see, what makes this toxin quite interesting is that it targets and attaches itself specifically to cancer cells. They do this so well, they're called tumor paint, because if you mix glowing dye to the toxin and inject it to the body, they will actively try to find the cancer cells. And once they do, they will emit light, essentially signaling where the cancer cells are. And because of this, scorpion venom is one of the most expensive liquid in the world. Not only because it is very difficult to harvest at large amounts, but they also contain proteins that could potentially save billions of lives. If scorpions can help us find tumors and cancer cells, honeybees on the other hand can help us destroy the cancers itself. Our little bee friends do more than just pollinating. Inside their tiny venom glands contain a powerful anti-cancer peptide known as melittin. Melittin is a small protein researchers have been studying lately. Previous studies have proved their effectiveness in destroying tumors, especially breast cancer cells, because they attack cancer cells by forming holes in the cell's outer layer, which causes its insides to leak and eventually die. Not only that, they also jam the chemical signals of tumors, preventing them from growing and proliferating, which is also why they have good synergy with chemotherapy. Since melittin attacks and weakens the resistant cancer cells, giving chemotherapy the opportunity to deliver the final blows, effectively killing the cancer cells. However, further studies are still being developed on how to effectively deliver this toxin to the body. So maybe in the next 5 years or so, we'll finally have an effective cancer killer drug readily available for the world to enjoy. There is still a lot of venom that has medicinal potential that I didn't uncover yet. But if you're curious about the animals itself, you can find the link of the documentaries that I used in the description, which contains all the information you needed to know more about that animal. And so, thank you for watching. And once again, babush.